Okay, quick video here today. All my videos are pretty much quick. I don't like long videos and a lot of excruciating minutia. Hint, hint, people making long videos. But I wanted to do a quick video on my camera, on my action camera, and how I made this holding stick. I can't remember what these are called, selfie sticks, whatever. And there's no stabilizing mechanism in here whatsoever. But when you use this, you're going to get a lot more stable image. And some of my videos in the past have been pretty shaky, but this gives me an arm extension and increased stability and ease of use. And all this is a cut down old tripod. I got this tripod from, I think, St. Vincent de Paul for like $4 or something, and it was a high quality 1980s, I believe, old Kmart brand tripod. But what's great about this was all I had to do was remove the tripod legs. There was 3 bolts here, took them right off, and then that left me with the center uh, pole for holding it, and the little camera mount thing. This I can screw this right out and take that right off if I don't want it. And so my action camera mounts right to the top like any tripod, and I can still turn this little crank and extend it way up so I can get better aerial views, and it just works great. What a really quick, easy, simple project. And that's the whole point of my channel, is how to make something for yourself easy, quick, and just as good, if not better, than something you can buy. And this works really well. I hope this inspires you. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself and your families.